Hi guys, this is a quick review of the Coco and Eve. This is their Bally Bronzing Foam and their tanning application mitt. These came together as a combined purchase, I believe. The tanning mitt is equal to most tanning mitts that I've used in the past. It is a very cute pink color with the Coco and Eve logo on there. It does get a little dirty looking because the foam is a tinted foam, which is very cool, helps you get an even application, but it does make your mitt look a little dirty. I've used a black mitt in the past, which I kind of liked because it hides the self-tanner look to it, but I do love this pink one, and it works very well. The tanning foam itself, this is a great product. The smell is very minimal, which is a deal in most self-tanners. Is by the end of the day, you are smelling it. I play sports, so I get to sweating, and I definitely smell that self-tanner kicking in. I have not noticed it with this at all. I have just a very light coconut scent on my skin. I mean, it is very light. I am very impressed with that. Normally you go on with a kind of a nice scent, and then as the day goes on, you progress into more of a self-tanner smell. I'm not getting that self-tanner smell at all. I'm just getting coconut. And their facial micro mist self-tanner, I don't get any. I get a very pleasant peachy coconut smell when I put it on, and then I don't smell it throughout the day at all. So very impressed with the smell on these, or the lack of smell on these products. This is a mousse, kind of like it says it's a foam, is a mousse. So you just spray it on or pump it onto the applicator, and then rub it in. And it's tinted, so you can very easily see where you're applying it. Now the tint, I will say, I wasn't thinking. I had already put on my clothes for the day, then decided to do a self-tanner, so took everything off and put it back on, put the self-tanner on, and then put the clothes back on, and I had a white t-shirt on. I did definitely get self-tan product color, tan color on the inside of my white t-shirt. It will bleach out, it'll be fine, but you may want to wear a darker colored clothing, or maybe just let it dry a little longer. I'm not sure, but I think you're still going to get a little bleeding of the color onto your clothes that first day. So I would recommend wearing a darker color, or a white that you can just bleach. Mine is an exercise t-shirt, so I don't care. But I did notice it when I took it off to do this review that the inside of the t-shirt does have a little bit of the self-tan color on there. So there is one thing. It is very easy to apply. I think I do have a little bit of splotchiness here. My light is very unforgiving, so we're going to see exactly. But for the most part, a very even application, and it is just a nice pop of color. It is not overdone at all. I could have gone deeper, darker, but I was wanting to go just a normal application of it just to see how it goes, and I'm very impressed. I think it does a great job of giving me just a great pop of color. We're in the middle of winter now, so I have no sun. None of my summer tan is left, so pretty pale. And this has given me just a very nice pop of color. I'm very impressed. It's easy to apply. The smell is great. Just be careful of the clothing if you're applying something pretty quickly after. Honestly, if you're applying anything before you've showered, I would try a darker color, or be prepared to have a little bit of bleed of the color from the tinted application. I hope this review helps. I hope you're having a great day, and thanks for watching.